The Umkhonto weSizwe Party is positioning itself as a formidable force ahead of South Africa's 2026 local government elections, following a series of by-election victories in KwaZulu-Natal that signal a growing shift in voter sentiment away from the African National Congress. On Wednesday, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party clinched another key win in the Mandeni local municipality, wresting control of a ward previously held by the ANC. The results marks the party's fourth consecutive by-election triumph, adding to victories in Richmond, Durban and Kadukuza. Willis Mchunu, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's convener in KwaZulu-Natal, hailed the results as evidence of the party's growing dominance and a clear indictment of ANC's waning influence. He said people have been failed by the ANC and we are taking over where it has faltered. He further said that we may have started slow, but now we're unstoppable. No party will stop us in the 2026 elections. Mchunu attributed the party's momentum to its internal reorganization and the implementation of formal constitution, which he said has brought discipline and focus across its branches. He reaffirmed the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's vision under its leader, former President Jacob Zuma, to liberate black people politically, socially and economically, and said to change the constitution and address the challenges our people face. We need two-thirds majority. That's our mission. Political analyst Siyabonga Ntombela said Zuma remains the party's most potent political asset, describing him as the magnet that draws people to Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and said without Zuma, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party may have been just another ANC splinter group. The ANC has been in decline long before President Ramaphosa. People are no longer buying into empty promises. They want change, and the Umkhonto weSizwe Party represents that to many. Ntombela also dismissed the ANC's renewal narrative as a futile echo of past failures and said you can't fix in 1 year what you've broken over 10. Another analyst, Daniel Silk, echoed these concerns, pointing out that ANC's inability to defend its strongholds in KwaZulu-Natal highlights internal fractures and growing public dissatisfaction, and said the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's ability to outmaneuver the ANC despite its larger organizational infrastructure is telling. It reflects both the ANC's internal disarray and the public's hunger for alternatives. ANC, in a brief statement, acknowledged the defeat but maintained its presence in the region. It said, "We respect the democratic will of the people. Despite the setback, the ANC remains in control of both the Mandeni local municipality and the Ilembe district municipality. We remain committed to delivering services to our communities." As the 2026 election draw closer, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's rise, driven by populist appeal and discontent with the ruling party, could reshape South Africa's political landscape, especially in KwaZulu-Natal, a province long seen as an ANC stronghold. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.